Okay, so I just solved this whole problem and I wasn't even recording myself. But I don't feel like rewriting it, so now I'm just going to explain it. So it says find the perimeter of a triangle with these coordinates. And remember, perimeter means we're going to add up all the sides. So first thing I did is I went over here and I found the length of AC. Now you can find the side length using Pythagorean theorem or distance formula. I used Pythagorean theorem on the first one, and in order to do Pythagorean theorem, you have to draw right triangles. So I went straight up and straight over, got those two side lengths, plugged them into the Pythagorean theorem, and got the square root of 20. Then for side AB, I wanted to show you the distance formula in case you like that better than Pythagorean theorem. So for the distance formula, you needed your two ordered pairs, and then you plug them into the formula, x2 minus x1 quantity squared, plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. And then you're going to take the square root of all of it. So you get the square root of 17 for that length. And I also drew the right triangle up here just so that you could see that you can use the Pythagorean theorem as well, whichever one you prefer. So since I prefer Pythagorean theorem for side BC, I went ahead and drew my right triangle, got my side lengths, and plugged them into the Pythagorean theorem. Once you know all of your side lengths, you can go ahead and add them together to get the perimeter. And here the perimeter was approximately 12.2 units.